Hello everyone! Are you involved in the field of stamping or body in white and looking for an efficient way to optimize your assembly process? When talking about assembly, you would like to avoid as much as possible tolerance issues before start of production. So one essential step is the tryout phase, conducted at pilot hole, where you will assemble in real conditions all stamping parts and therefore build the assembly for the very first time. And we all know that green stamping parts does not necessarily mean reaching an assembly in tolerance. My name is Stephane ANDRIETTI. I'm product manager at AutoForm. And together with my colleague Stippak, we will be hosting a 30-minute live webinar in which we will present AutoForm solutions dedicated to body in white assembly process. In this webinar, we will see how we can elaborate different scenarios in order to get an assembly right in tolerance. AutoForm assembly software calculates all deviations from nominal conditions and helps decide on potential countermeasures. So hence, as a user, you can either optimize the shimming of clamps, the teaching of joints, or decide to apply a compensation strategy on one of the most influential parts of the assembly. This global approach delivers significant cost saving by reducing the number of quality loops and by shortening the lead time from process engineering down to production. We offer 2 sessions on the day of Wednesday, July the 10th. So feel free to register, select the time that works best for you, and let's start talking together. So we look forward to seeing you there. Thanks for your time.